My name is Grace and I just turned 50. And the reason why I finally decided to have an implant procedure done was because I wanted to feel whole again. Before the implant, I had been without that tooth in that location for a very long time, maybe 10 years. And so it was in the back and you couldn't really see it, but it impacted the way I would communicate.
Can you hear us okay?
Sometimes I would even stutter a little bit, or it's just the pronunciation of certain words. Sending out a link to each and every one of your staff, something as small as that no one else can see, was very impactful for me and my confidence.
Yeah, this is looking great. Can you turn to...
I was really concerned about pain. I didn't want to take time off because of pain. I didn't want to be groggy because I had to have medication, to help with the pain. He said, no, it's going to be fine. And by the way, there's a new technology that we have. It's actually a robot that can really help with this and make it a little less traumatic. And so your healing won't be, so bad and so painful and so lengthy. I didn't have any pain. And it was later on that afternoon, I woke up on the couch and I was just thinking, it was still groggy, but there was no inflammation. There was, really no discomfort. One of the things that we asked from you was a Thursday. That Friday, I was able to actually be on calls, taking care of that. Certainly my experience with Yomi, I really do believe that is why I was able to just really get back into my life the next day for our organization. Post Yomi, after the implant and the crown and everything, I was able to, I felt, articulate so much better. I'm in a different phase of my life and in a different position at work where I'm more visible and I do a lot of presentations, I do a lot of meetings. Sharing screens It was very much like being able to really relay my messages a lot better of the code of conduct that we have. I felt confident because now I thought I have this tooth back, so I'm able to say these words. I'm able to articulate their email aliases. So I'm comforted by knowing that we have this technology. The experience isn't painful, it's not traumatic. Out to their contact, I can go back to to my life without, a huge recovery period. Perfect.
That's great.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
This definitely, really changed my outlook on oral surgery, on any dental procedure, really.